If you're experiencing controller drift in Valorant, it can affect your gameplay significantly. Here is a quick guide to help you enhance your controller's performance and minimize drift. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller settings in Valorant are properly configured. Go to the settings menu and adjust the sensitivity and dead zone settings to find a balance that works for you. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the exterior and carefully clean around the analog sticks. You can also use compressed air to blow out any dirt that may be stuck inside. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to update your controller. Step 4. Adjust dead zones. In the controller settings, adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help eliminate minor drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input from the analog stick. Step 5. Test in practice mode. After making adjustments, test your controller in Valorant as practice mode. Spend some time moving around and shooting to see if the drift has improved. If not, consider further adjustments or seeking professional repair. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your controller's performance and reduce drift in Valorant. Happy gaming!